What's up, guys? We back at the Audi today. We got my brother's Audi. We got a jack. We about to take this tire off because the car's been sitting, as you can see in the last video. So the car's been sitting ever since we've got it to run, and we know it runs. So we're just gonna go to the tire shop, get a tire, or see if they can fix this tire and just put air in it and see if there's any hole in it. I don't think there's any holes in it just because he didn't run over glass. But yeah, we left the little rod that goes into the jack to jack this car up. So we getting that right now. You'll probably see it in literally 2 seconds. But yeah, man, if you guys made it this far in the 45 seconds of this video, go in the comments and wish my big brother a happy birthday right now. Yeah, guys, we got the bumper out of the car. We got the new grill.
But he won't admit that he was doing 10 burnouts a day in this shit. He wasn't doing admit that.
Grill is icy. So all we're gonna do is just reuse his OEM Audi badges. We'll just put the Audi badge right there, right? How would we put it on? Like adhesive or some shit?
Get the Fiji water, we're upper class. Upper class, got Fiji water.
All right, the new grill is on the bumper. As you see, if you take off the bumper on your Audi A4, what generation, B7?
B7, yeah.
Yeah, B7, all right. So when you take the bumper off, there are like, I don't know how many screws, but there's a couple of screws holding this entire grill together. Maybe 7 or 8 screws, but all right here, you take all of the screws off. Don't forget the screws up here. So looks as good as new now. Looks nice. What you think? You got self-tapping screws? Now we just got to get pliers to bend the hood so we can get, decent fitment. So,
Hey, give me the pliers. I'm gonna use this right here.
Wait, what's this for?
That's the old grill.
That's for the bottom piece or the?
That's the old grill, bro. It's the broke one.
Yeah, but you see there's the license plate screws. Ah, this guy here.
I wish I could take my shit off.
Yep, this is how it looks. We're just waiting to get the toolbox because we need a T30, right? Yeah, we need a T30 for this screw. So it can screw right onto the bumper. There, the bumper's on. But yeah, man. The car's running real good. It's quiet. All she needs a little detail. She good. I'm so hyped. Just because it's a little build series on the little channel or whatever for my brother's car. You guys know, man, my brother means a lot to me, so his car means a lot to me as well. Very excited, but my cousin's getting his car right now. Me and my twin is back. We're back for another video of the Audi. So last time we got the car running, but the car is not running now again because the battery is just... Yeah, last time we got it running. Last time. Yeah. But yeah, successful. This was pretty much a success. If you guys can see, he now has a grill and it looks icy.
Yeah, I'm gonna replace everything around it, but I'm trying to source everything.
Yeah, we're trying to source it out and get the car to run.
I'm looking for a nice part out somewhere.
Yeah, but we're trying to take this battery out.
Not trying, we're gonna.
Yeah, we're gonna take this out right now. But yeah, guys. So we need the battery, we need coolant, and we need air pump to put air in the tire. And then the car is drivable. So we're gonna try to bust all of that out today.
I didn't even check my reservoir.
And then this car is completely drivable again. But yeah, it's this tire right here. Just needs a little bit of air, as you can see. Hopefully it just needs air. But if not, we'll buy another tire or put a spare on it for now, I guess. Shit. Yeah, guys. My brother replaced the battery just now. We replaced the battery. We added coolant in the car. Oh man, I can't wait until I see this on the road. That sounds good, bro. Pretty sure the last video.
Pump time.
Yeah, we gotta pump this bitch up now. Where's your air pump at?
It'll still be in the car.
Trunk, okay. New battery right there. We went to Walmart. He's gonna change the battery anyway. He's gonna change.
My old battery is much better, so I bought this cheap bullshit battery.
Just to get the car running.
Just because I have other things in the car that I want to see, so I'm not gonna sit here and spend $300 on a battery at fucking 9. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But that other battery is probably still good. So right now it's charging.
Yeah, because you said the health of the battery was good.
The health came up as not saying anything, but it was on 0%. So
yeah.
Just warmed up and quieted down.
Yeah, she's quiet now.
You got the keys to this car, don't you?
Oh yeah, my fault. Yeah, so let's see what this does now, right? I mean, portable air pumps.
Placement.
Portable air pumps ain't bad though. My girl's mom has that.
I was gonna be
pumps up her big truck up.
And return it, but I think I'd like it.
Damn, a nice little pouch.
Yeah, the pouch, yeah, that got me. I'm a sucker for some fucking cool. Especially. Look. It's got a light. Okay.
What? It got a light? No way. This is fucking nice, bro. Damn.
Drop your car with this.
Oh my god, you got coilovers now, imagine. Damn, you got some fucking teen coilovers now playing. That shit gotta be green. Hold on, just checking. Yo, she sounds so good, bro. She sounds healthy.
Nothing's burning off from that.
Nah, I don't see none. I don't smell or hear anything.
Really quiet, same way.
Yeah, the exact same way. No smoke coming out the back. She's breathing fucking good. Where's the Jetta key at? I think you got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll start it up.
I just got the battery. I don't want to just drain it with this, but I could just drain it with the car we're using already.
Yeah,
Let's
it won't be bad.
Because it's not going to be that serious.
All right. All right, oh wow. Ready? Yeah. I need to try it. I see little ribs. Do you feel air coming?
No. I'll at least be able to.
There he blows. Oh man. Boost noises never get old. Remember that, guys. Yo, it sounds fucking
Bro,
good.
I just went all the way to the top floor.
Oh really? How it drives? Regular, right?
Right? I saw no anything coming down.
Huh?
I was looking in the mirror the whole time. Nothing came out.
Your car's good. Well, we told you this.
I probably poured all of that last night.
Yeah, it dripped so much fucking coolant though. How's your temps? Right in the middle, like normal, right?
It hasn't moved. That's another thing that keeps happening. Is I'm not seeing shit until
You turn on the AC or some shit, right?
I turn the AC on in the fanning gauge.
That's weird. It's very weird.
Like I gotta force engage the fan.
But the car gets into boost, obviously. Yeah.
The traction control went on too.
Oh, nice. That's your little VSA module ABS bullshit.
When it's dead for that amount of time like that, it just wants you to basically cycle through it.
Yeah, the car just wants you to drive it.
Yeah, it got tired of me fucking neglecting it.
It's like, drive me already.
This is broken glass in that dude's car.
Wow. His dumbass backed the living shit up into your car. Oh my
That's
god.
probably for me. I broke his fucking window, so shit probably landed on me.
Oh my god.
The car.
But we literally 95% to get in this car. Perfect.
Shit, it might be cosmetic at this point. So we came out here and I was a little pissed off, thinking, no wait, what's that? That looks like a fresh drip.
Oh, it does look like a fresh little drip. Hey guys, what's up, man? If you guys made it to the end of this video, thank you very much for watching the video and giving me all the watch time that I need to grow this channel. But long story short, we didn't really want it to drive the Audi because it has a coolant leak inside the radiator, because the guy that hit him, you know, it punctured the radiator. So yeah, we're not gonna risk blowing that motor up, and then it's like, then we're gonna have to junk the car, you know? So he's gonna get a radiator. I think he's ordering it right now as we speak. It's 2:26 in the morning. There's nobody on the road right now. Driving home. A little pull for you guys. I was in 4th gear. But yeah. So yeah, guys, like, comment on the video. And yeah, man, we'll stay tuned for the next episode of the Audi build. We're gonna get it on the road very, very soon.